In today's video, I am going to teach you how to void a document in Pandadoc. Voiding a document is the right option when you need to officially cancel it so it can no longer be completed or signed. This is useful if you sent the wrong version, included incorrect pricing or details, or simply need to stop the workflow and replace the document with an updated one. Once a document is voided, it is clearly marked as canceled in Pandadoc, which helps keep your records accurate and avoids confusion for anyone who received it. To get started, open Pandadoc and locate the document you want to cancel. You can do this from your documents list or dashboard, depending on how you typically access your files. Open the document itself, so you are viewing it directly. It is important that you are inside the correct document before you proceed, since voiding applies only to the document you currently have open. Next, look to the top right corner of the document page for the More button. This is the icon with 3 dots. Click that 3-dot menu to reveal additional actions you can take on the document. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Void. Choosing Void tells Pandadoc you are about to cancel this document and prevents further progress on it. After you click Void, a pop-up box will appear asking for a reason. Type a brief reason for voiding the document. Keep it short but clear, such as noting that the wrong version was sent, the terms changed, or a replacement is being issued. This reason can be helpful later for internal tracking and for anyone reviewing the document history. Finally, click the button labeled Void Document to finalize the action. Pandadoc will then mark the document as voided, and it will no longer be available for recipients to complete. Take a moment to confirm you are seeing the voided status so you know the cancellation went through successfully, and that is all there is to it.